Hello friends, welcome back. 4th of July is very close and this is how I customized my front porch sign. Materials I used are as follows. I mixed brilliant blue and little lamp black to get the desired navy blue color, crimson red with black to make the shade little darker, and then the other color is titanium white. Few other supplies are paintbrush, pencil, ruler, cardboard, etc. etc. These are optional. I wanted to cover the cardboard side with the twine so that it doesn't really look like a cardboard. You can use nautical rope instead and some sort of glue, say hot glue gun or school glue, anything, and a masking tape, but I wanted to try using a normal clear tape to see the result. Measure the letters on porch sign and cut your cardboard into a circle. Apply gesso to it. I mixed equal portions of water and gesso. Well, you can use other materials like foam boards or pre-cut wood rounds instead of cardboard. There are plenty of options out there for materials which you can explore. Once the gesso is dry, divide the round into quadrants and paint 3 of those with titanium white. Apply 2 to 3 coats to get the desired look. I really want to use the same signboard and update the decor for every season and events. So I used Velcro dots to attach the decor. We had few thunderstorms and it was windy as well. Trust me, the Velcro dots are keeping hold of cardboard out there very well. Use the masking tape to create the lines and alternate it between red and white. I used back of paintbrush to press and smooth down the tape onto the surface. Here I am mixing crimson red and little lamp black to get the desired color I wanted, and then I'm going to use that color and paint the lines. For navy blue color, I ended up using brilliant blue and lamp black. Apply the paint to the quadrant and once after the paint is dry, remove the masking tape. And once after the blue is dry, take a small paintbrush and put out dots with the titanium white. You can just leave as is or make that into a little star. You can totally stop at this stage but I wanted to add a twine to make it look better. And the other options are you can even use a nautical rope and also a burlap bow and decorate it. And if you are doing this as a wall hanging or some other kind of decor, you can add the extra piece of cardboard to make it a little bit sturdier. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up. Do share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later with another DIY video. Till then, bye bye.